Hi, I'm Tito, Sufesa Certified Master Technician. We're going through the F3 error code or magnetron current low diagnostics for the TurboChef Rapid Cook ovens, which includes the bullet, ECO, NGC, soda, I3, and I5. What we will want to do is inspect and test your K6 relay. If it has failed, in some situations you can replace the relay. In this situation, we would have to replace the whole board. If it has not failed, we would want to take a look at the testing mode on the control board, energize the magnetron, and take an amp draw, checking on your manual for the correct amp draw for your application. Are you pulling the correct amp draw from the wire going to the magnetron?